Good morning, grade 5 students, and welcome to our English video lesson. Today we are going to study Module 2, Our World, Part 1. Our lesson today is going to be nice and fun, and you will enjoy it. Our lesson today is a reading lesson. Let's take a look at our learning objectives for today. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Identify the meaning of 10 new words to use them correctly. 2. Read to identify the main idea and choose the best title for the article. And number 3. Read the article to answer detailed questions. For our lesson today, we will be looking at student book page 22 and 23 and workbook page 17. Make sure you open your books on the right pages. Before we start reading, first we will look at 10 new words that will help us understand the article we will be reading. So let's take a look at the new words in your student book page 22. Look at this picture. What can you see? A plane. Where can you see a plane? Yes, at the airport. So this first word is something you do when you travel by plane. The word is trip. For example, I'm going on a trip to London next week. Where are these two girls? Yes, maybe they are in a museum. Okay, what are they looking at? Is it a picture? No, it's a painting. Okay, and where can you see paintings? Well, it's a place where you can see many paintings. It is an art exhibition. For example, I visit the art exhibition to see beautiful paintings. What does this picture look like? A written text, right? Where can you read it? Well, it's not a book, it's a magazine. And what can you see in this page of the magazine? Pieces of writing on a special topic, right? Well, these pieces of writing are called an article. For example, I'm reading the sports article in the magazine. Look at this picture. What can you see? Yes, bottles. What are they made of? Are they made of plastic? No, they are made of glass. For example, these bottles are made of glass. Look at this picture. You will see another material, but this one is used to make cars. It is a very strong material. It is metal. For example, the gate is made of metal. Look at these two phones. How can you describe them? Which of them was used in the past and you cannot see anymore? Well, one is old and the mobile phone is new or modern. For example, this mobile phone is modern. This word means great or incredible. The word is fantastic. For example, the weather is fantastic. Look at these children. Are they going in the school or out? Yes, they are going out of the school. They are leaving the school. They are going home. The word is leave. For example, we leave school at 12 o'clock. What can you see in this picture? Yes, a teacher and some students. What is the teacher doing? Very good. She is teaching the students new things. And what are the students doing? Very good. They are listening to what the teacher is saying. They are learning. The last word for today is learn. For example, we learn new things at school. So, these are the new words of our lesson today. Listen and repeat so you can learn how to pronounce them correctly.
Trip. Art exhibition. Painting. Magazine. Article. Glass. Metal. Modern. Fantastic. Learn. Learnt. Leave. Left.
Now it's time to practice the new words and see if you can use them correctly. So, open your workbook, page 17, exercise 1. In this exercise, I want you to read the sentences and choose the word that completes each sentence correctly. Now remember, there is always a clue or a keyword that will help you choose correctly. Let's do number 1 together. Tom and Bob visited a or an painting or art exhibition last night. Okay, where is the key word or where is the clue that will help me? The key word in this sentence is visited. Okay, can you visit a painting? Of course not. So the answer will be art exhibition. Okay, now pause the video until you finish the following sentences. Okay, are you done? Now check your answers. Now that we've finished learning and practicing the new words, it's time to start reading. So please go back to your student book, page 22. What can you see here in page 22? It's a magazine. Excellent. What type of text is this one? Is it a song? No, it's an article. Good job. Can you see the name of the writer? It's up on the left. That's true. His name is Jack Preston. Now take a look at the pictures. What do you think the article is about? Can you choose a title for this article by looking at the pictures only? Of course not. So now I want you to read the article silently so you can choose the best title for it. You don't have to read each word now, just go through the text very quickly, okay? Start reading and pause the video until you are done. Remember, my dear students, there are always smart moves that you can do to help yourself read better and find the information you are looking for very quickly. Here are some tips that will help you. 1. Always look for keywords or clues. 2. Pictures can also be a clue. 3. Don't stop at difficult words. 4. Go through the text quickly. So, which of these 3 titles is the best for this article? Is it title number 1, 2, or 3? Which one did you choose? Well, since the article talks about a trip to an art exhibition, then the best title is number 2, a school trip on an art exhibition. Now it's time to read the article again. This time you are going to read in details. To do what? To answer these questions in your student book, page 23, exercise number 3. In this exercise, all the statements are false. There is a mistake in each sentence. You have to find the mistake, underline it, and write the correct answer under it. Before we start, pause the video for a minute to read the sentences silently and underline the keywords. Okay, are you done? Good. Now read the article silently while you listen to the audio, and don't forget to find the answers and underline them in the text.
Last Thursday, we went to an art exhibition with our art teacher, Mr. Smith. When we arrived, they took us to a room with famous paintings from the 19th century. They were beautiful. Then they took us to a big room with modern art. The paintings there were very different. They were glass paintings. Then, 2 artists arrived, and they talked to us about modern art and glass paintings. Artists paint on glass, and sometimes they use metal in their paintings too. We learned many things. Later, we all had lunch together, and then we left. It was a fantastic day. Everybody enjoyed it. Here's what 2 students liked.
I liked the glass paintings. The painting with fish was my favorite. I like art a lot, and I want to be an artist too. Ronald, 11.
The art exhibition was fantastic. When I went home, I made a glass painting too. Liam, 12.
Okay, let's start checking the answers. Number 1. What is the mistake in this sentence? The students in year 6 visited an art exhibition. Well, the mistake is year 6. Why? Well, if you can look up on the right, you will find that the correct answer is year 5. Number 2. The students went to a small room with modern art. What is the mistake in this sentence? Well, it's the word small. And where is the correct answer? You will find it in line number 4, and it will be big. Number 3. 3 artists talked about modern art. Where is the mistake? It's the word 3. Okay, and where is the correct answer? Did you find it in the text? Well done. It is in line number 6. The correct answer is 2 artists. Number 4. Artists paint on metal and sometimes use glass in their paintings. Well, in this sentence, there are actually 2 mistakes: metal and glass. Did you find the right answer? Well, you will find it by the end of the paragraph. The right answer should be like this: artists paint on glass and sometimes use metal in their paintings. Number 5. Liam wants to be an artist. What is the mistake in this sentence? The word Liam. And where is the correct answer? You will find it in the pink box. Excellent. The right answer is Ronald. Okay, it's time to check the last sentence in the exercise. When Liam went to school, he made a glass painting. Where is the mistake? The word to school. And where is the correct answer? Did you find it next to the painting? Excellent. The right answer will be home. Well done, grade 5 students. We have finished reading the article and answering the questions which talked about a school trip. So, let's chat together. Did you go on a school trip before? Which place in Qatar did you visit? What did you see there? Did you like it? Why? Now, I want you to take turns to ask and answer each other these questions. We have finished our lesson for today, so let's take a look at what we have done. Number 1, we identified the meaning of 10 new words and we used them correctly. Number 2, we identified the main idea of the article and we chose the best title for it. Number 3, we read the article and we answered detailed questions correctly. Thank you, Grade 5 students, for watching this video. See you soon. Goodbye.